Here's a little look into my dungeon. It's where all of it happens. That's the new box I was telling you about. This one's tuned to 32 Hertz. Putting it in today. I got my other amp the other day. That'll be hooked up. And I'll make a video of it once everything's done. This is my 18-inch Sundown zv3. Thinking about selling it. I'm not going to ship it, but I'd take $250 for it in the box. Rated 1500 RMS, 3000 peak. This one's dual 4. Pretty badass. Got a couple boxes over here I built, carpeted. I gotta buy some more carpet. I got a Kicker KX 850x2 I'm looking to sell. If you bridge it, you could get about 1,000 watts to one speaker. I don't have the end caps for it, but who the hell cares? And that's about it. So I'm gonna get this in. There's the old one I just took out. That one's tuned to 34 Hertz. Yeah. So look for the new vid coming later.